guys, and welcome to another studio vlog. So this week I kind of did things differently. It is now Friday and all week I've been filming clips of the things that I've been working on. If you've watched my previous studio vlogs, you know that I've got a few big projects on the go at the moment, and really at the moment I'm just trying to complete those and work on them a bit every day and take some time to rest a bit more as well. So it's going okay. I'm having good days and not so great days, but I'm moving forward. That's the main thing. So I thought it'd be fun to share with you the clips from this week. I hope you enjoy seeing an insight into what I've been working on. Obviously I haven't filmed the degree work because a lot of it is sort of mind mapping and planning and bits here and there, so I've mainly focused on painting for this week to share with you, and I hope you like it. And talking of just working on big projects and taking a step back, I'm starting to think about what I'm going to do when I restart my Patreon. It's currently on pause for the summer, just to give me a bit of a break and just to lighten my load a bit while I've got these big projects on. And so I will be reopening on the 1st of September, and I'm kind of brainstorming a bit about how I'm going to do Patreon moving forward and what I can offer that will interest you guys. So I would really appreciate it if you've got any ideas of the kinds of rewards that you would like to see from me, then please leave them in the comments below. I would really love to hear them, and yeah, it'd be great to have some suggestions. So yeah, it's kind of in the back of my mind at the moment, thinking what I'm going to do. But like I said, mainly focusing on these three big projects, which is my garden series of abstract paintings, the big commission, and my degree work. So that's quite a lot to be juggling with a new puppy and life in general. So yeah, I hope you enjoy these clips, and I will see you again at the end of this video. it for this week. I hope you've enjoyed seeing what I've been working on. As you can see in the background, there's the commission painting. It still needs a bit more work to it, but I'm really pleased with the progress that I've made this week. It has been an emotional one and it's been a bit hard at times, but I feel like I'm finally getting somewhere with it, so I'm really pleased about that. And the garden series is coming on really well. Some of them are virtually complete, and I think I just want to sort of lay them out all together and just see if there's any tweaks that need to be done, and you know, little things like that. Sometimes it's good to sit on a painting, not literally, but just put it aside and just sort of look at it here and there and just see if you can think of anything else that you want to do with it before you officially complete it. So yeah, that's going really well. The degree work is chugging along. I'm getting closer to finishing the first part, which is really good. It just feels like everything's taking me that much longer at the moment. As you'll understand, grief is a funny thing, and it does slow you down and makes things a lot harder to do. But I'm getting there slowly by slowly and bit by bit. So thank you so much for your support. Thank you for watching these videos. I hope you enjoy them. If you do like this video, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I'd really appreciate it, and you'll get to see more videos from me. If you hit the bell icon, you'll be notified when I upload again next. I'm trying to get into the habit of posting every Monday, but sometimes that gets pushed back a little bit. But if you hit the notification bell, then you'll get an email, I believe, of when I upload next. So yeah, so I will see you again very soon. I hope you're all well, and thanks again for watching. And don't forget to leave me your suggestions for my Patreon coming back on the 1st of September. See you soon, guys. Bye.